Question 2. A beach cafe sells ice creams. Each day the manager records a number of hours of sunshine and the number of ice creams sold. The scatter graph shows this information. So if we look at the x-axis, here's the hours of sunshine, and on the y-axis you've got the ice creams sold. On another day there were 11.5 hours of sunshine and 73 ice creams sold. Part A says show this information on the scatter graph. So there was 11.5 hours of sunshine, which is here. I need to go up to 73 ice creams, which is here. Okay, so you need to put a little X there to represent that bit of data. Now just be careful with the scale, sometimes it doesn't go up so nicely, sometimes it goes up in twos, okay, so just make sure you're a little bit careful with that. Now, part A is worth 1 mark, and if it's in the right place within 2 millimeters either side, then it's just about okay. So, part B. Part B says describe the relationship between the number of hours of sunshine and the number of ice creams sold. So if we have a look at the scatter graph, you can see that there's a general pattern. As the hours of sunshine increases, it would appear that the number of ice creams sold goes up as well, which kind of makes sense. The hotter the temperature, the more ice cream gets sold. You could even draw a line of best fit if you wanted to, okay? And you can see, oh, that's not a very good line of best fit. Let me try that again. That's slightly better, okay? You can see that there is a positive correlation, okay? So, that's worth 1 mark. If we just have a quick look at the mark scheme to see what it says. Okay, yep, so if you put something like the more hours of sunshine, the more ice cream gets sold, that's fine. If you put something like it has a positive correlation, that's also fine. But you cannot put positive relationship, okay? That doesn't really mean anything, positive relationship. Just go back to question A. To get the mark, you have to put it in the right place, and it can only be half a square in either direction, okay? So it has to be pretty accurate. And part C, so one day had 10 hours of sunshine. Part C says estimate how many ice creams were sold. So we need to use our graph then. 10 hours of sunshine. So we've got our line of best fit. So 10 hours of sunshine. I'm going to draw a line up to 10 at 10 hours up to the line and across. So you can use that to estimate the number of ice creams sold, and I'm going to estimate that as when there's 10 hours of sunshine, I think there's going to be 66 ice creams sold. Okay, so I'm going to write 66 on the answer line there. Now this is worth 2 marks, and let's have a look at the mark scheme. So the first one's for a method mark for a single straight line of best fit. That is, it says between 6.5 and 45, 6.5, 45, so 6.5, 45 is here, and 6.5 and 59. So, as long as your line of best fits in between those points, that's okay. And over here, 1270, sorry, these are coordinates, 1270 at this point, and 1280. So you can see my line of best fit is in between those two sets of coordinate. Okay, so my line of best fit is acceptable. Now for the answer then, so that's 1 mark for the line of best fit. It's 1 mark for the line of best fit. Okay, and the second mark comes from the answer. Now it says your answer in the range of 62 to 70. You would get that second mark, okay, and I've got 66, so I do get that mark as well, and that's it.